Hello guys, this is the title of communication model that Yuri Manayon and I made. Purinoy communication model. Purinoy communication model is a common communication tool proposed by a foreigner and a Pinoy. Maong among title kay Purinoy kay agi ni siya sa foreigner and a Pinoy that make communication. Mo ni sa mong title na mo sa Purinoy. This model is a two-way model where the both and the sender and the receiver are focused and enlightened. The sender and receiver are given importance to communicate well. Component of this communication model mo ni siya ang katupat ka buok ang sender may istorya sa mo na ni ang message ito yung istorya dayon na dawat ang message ngayong istorya sa sender na dawat sa receiver. Then itubag ang receiver mo ni siya nagama sa feedback o gani siya balik-balik na sila duha mong nagagama sila communication o ora to